Welcome to this tutorial on CloudWatch Logs Insights. In this video, you'll learn how to query and analyze your AWS logs effectively using this powerful service. CloudWatch Logs Insights makes it easy to search through massive amounts of log data and extract meaningful insights in seconds. CloudWatch Logs Insights is an interactive log analytics service built specifically for CloudWatch logs. It allows you to query and analyze your log data in seconds without any complex setup. The service automatically detects patterns in your logs and provides built-in visualization capabilities, making it incredibly easy to understand what's happening in your applications. Let's look at the key benefits of using CloudWatch Logs Insights. First, it's purpose-built specifically for log analysis, so you get optimized performance. Second, you only pay for the data you actually scan during queries, making it cost-effective. Third, there's no setup required. It works immediately with your existing CloudWatch logs. Finally, it includes built-in visualization with automatic charts and graphs to help you understand your data better. CloudWatch Logs Insights uses a SQL-like query language that's easy to learn. Here's a basic example. The fields command selects which fields to display, in this case, timestamp and message. The filter command searches for specific patterns, like messages containing the word error. The sort command orders results by timestamp in descending order, showing newest first. Finally, the limit command restricts the results to 20 entries. Each command is separated by a pipe symbol. There are 6 essential commands you need to know. The fields command selects specific fields to display in your results. The filter command filters logs based on conditions you specify. The stats command calculates aggregate statistics like averages and counts. The sort command orders your results by field values. The limit command restricts the number of results returned. And the parse command extracts fields from unstructured log messages. These commands form the foundation of all your queries. Let's look at some practical filter examples. For string matching, you can use the like operator with a pattern, such as filtering messages that contain error. For multiple conditions, you can combine filters using and operators, for example, finding entries where status equals 500 and duration is greater than 1000 milliseconds. You can also check if a field exists using the isPresent function, which is useful when dealing with optional fields in your logs. The stats command is powerful for calculating metrics across your log data. You can use count-to-count occurrences grouped by a field like status code. You can calculate averages and maximums together, such as finding average and maximum duration grouped by endpoint. You can also sum values, like calculating total bytes transferred and assigning it an alias for easier reference. These aggregate functions help you understand trends and patterns in your application behavior. The parse command is essential for extracting custom fields from unstructured log messages. In this example, we're parsing a message to extract 3 fields: IP address, HTTP method, and request path. The asterisks act as wildcards matching any content. Once parsed, you can filter on these extracted fields. Here we're filtering for IP addresses that start with 192.168. This is incredibly useful when working with logs that don't have a predefined structure. CloudWatch Logs Insights excels at several common use cases. For troubleshooting errors, you can quickly find and analyze error patterns in your application logs. For performance analysis, you can identify slow requests and performance bottlenecks by analyzing response times. For security monitoring, you can track failed login attempts and suspicious security events. And for usage analytics, you can analyze user behavior and API usage patterns to understand how your application is being used. Let's wrap up with some best practices. Always use filters early in your queries to reduce the amount of data scanned, which lowers costs and speeds up execution. Narrow your time ranges to focus on relevant periods for faster query execution. Select only the fields you actually need instead of retrieving all data. Save your frequently used queries so you can access them quickly without rewriting them. And finally, use the parse command to extract structured data from unstructured logs, making them easier to analyze. Following these practices will help you get the most out of CloudWatch Logs Insights.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.